In this video, we are going to see what happens when we sign into Firefox while performing the if modified since uh, doing experiment. Mm, you can see that. Oh wait, my extensions are getting installed now only. We will wait them to install. Okay, go. Okay, I think they are installed everyone. Go to this wireshark. We'll give capture. Continue without capture. Wait, stop. First, we are going to clear the cookies. Privacy. Clear data. Clear. Now, this is I'm saying from again. I just log into my Firefox account. When you try to do the if modified since experiment here, after logging into your Firefox account, you will get some. You will not get the HTTP request. You will get HTTPS request. I will show you. Click on this. Start capture again. Continue without capture saving. Paste the link. Hit enter. You can see here what is this. This is a lock, which is connection is secure. When you log into your Firefox account, it will make the connection secure automatically. Now, when you type HTTP, you cannot see the HTTP request at all. That is the reason in the previous video I said do not log into your Firefox account. I will sign out now and sign out here. Uh, maybe yeah, let's sign out. Sign out. I just signed out of my account. Now we are going to clear the cache. We'll see how this works fine now. Clear data, clear cache. Now we clear the cache. You just saw we did not get the HTTP request. We are going to do it again now after logging out of the Firefox. This ate my head one day, full whole day. Now we'll give the capture again. Continue without saving. Now I'm going to hit enter. Okay, enter. Shit, I need to close the tab. I think. Yep, I will open it again. I'll stop this here. This is annoying every time you have to clear this cache. This thing HTTP. I logged out, right? Yeah. Maybe this is making mistakes. Extension. Yep. Hmm. Now we're going to capture again. Hope this time works fine. Giving us, yeah, you can see this now. It's not secure. These extensions are making something. I think connection is not secure. Now stop this, and you can see the HTTP GET request has been captured by wireshark. This is just to that do not log into your Firefox account while you're experimenting and remove all the extensions you have. That's all for this video. And this is not an experiment. You do not need to keep this